Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog cone for eye surgery that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Goodoo Dudu Soft Dog Cone Collar in its charming strawberry design. This collar stands out with its playful aesthetic, making it a great option for pet owners looking for something functional yet visually appealing. Crafted from soft and flexible material, this cone ensures a comfortable experience for your furry friend during post-surgery recovery or wound care. Unlike hard plastic cones, it won't scratch furniture or disrupt your pet's daily activities. One of its key benefits is adjustability, allowing it to fit a variety of pets, from cats and puppies to small and medium-sized dogs. The breathable and elastic material adds to the comfort, while its pillow-like softness lets pets relax or sleep without discomfort. However, while the cute design is a highlight, the closure system might not be as secure as some other options, which could be an issue for very active pets. Ideal for pet owners who value comfort and style, the Goodoo Dudu cone is reasonably priced at $19.88. While it may not offer heavy-duty protection for larger pets or intense recovery needs, it delivers excellent value for smaller pets and lighter use cases. Overall, it's a fun and functional option that balances aesthetics with practicality. At rank number 4, we have the Inflatable Dog Cone Soft Recovery Collar. This collar is designed specifically for medium to large dogs, making it an excellent choice for breeds like Huskies and Border Collies. It offers comprehensive protection against injuries, rashes, and post-surgery wounds, promoting faster recovery by preventing pets from biting or licking affected areas. This cone features a breathable 3D design made from sandwich mesh, which is lightweight, elastic, and easy to clean. While the cone is soft enough to ensure your dog's comfort, allowing them to eat, drink, and sleep, it's also durable enough to withstand daily wear. However, its performance can be hit or miss depending on the dog's temperament, as some users reported issues with the cone staying securely in place. Priced at $21.95, this collar provides a solid balance of comfort and functionality for medium to large-sized dogs. While it may not be the best option for overly active pets or those with stronger recovery needs, it's a good fit for dogs that require light protection and appreciate the soft material. Overall, the Inflatable collar delivers reliable protection and comfort for the right breed and size. Coming in at rank number 3 is the Sup Dog Cone Collar, which offers a classic Elizabethan design with modern adjustments. This collar is a versatile option suitable for a variety of dog sizes, from small breeds to large ones. Made from high-quality PVC material with soft fabric edges, it strikes a great balance between durability and comfort. The lightweight build ensures your pet won't feel weighed down, while the hook and loop closure provides secure fitting. The Sup collar excels in protecting pets during their recovery, preventing licking, biting, or scratching of wounds. Its straightforward design makes it easy to clean, while the adjustable fit adds practicality for multi-pet households. However, some users noted that the collar might be less comfortable for pets who are particularly sensitive to harder materials. Priced at $14.99, this collar offers exceptional value for budget-conscious pet owners who want reliable protection without breaking the bank. It's ideal for pets who need short-term recovery solutions and for owners who prefer a fuss-free, practical design. Overall, the Sup collar is a dependable choice for those seeking affordability and functionality in one package. At rank number 2, we have the budget-friendly Benchmate Protective Inflatable Collar. This product is a standout for its affordability, priced at just $13.61. The inflatable design and soft outer material make it one of the most comfortable options on our list, allowing pets to eat, drink, sleep, and play without obstruction to their vision. The Benchmate collar is also practical. It's durable, washable, and resistant to scratches and bites. The adjustable strap ensures a secure fit, and the collar can be deflated for compact storage when not in use. However, the inflatable nature might not offer the same level of rigidity as traditional cones, which could be a concern for pets with more aggressive tendencies during recovery. This collar is perfect for pet owners who prioritize comfort and affordability for pets recovering from mild surgeries or minor wounds. While it may not be the best for larger dogs or those needing intensive post-surgery care, its ease of use and gentle design make it an excellent option for cats and smaller dogs. Overall, Benchmate delivers incredible value for the price. And finally, taking the top spot at rank number 1 is the Winwheel Soft Dog Cone for dogs after surgery. This premium collar is priced at $26.99, and it's packed with advanced features to ensure maximum comfort and protection for your pet during recovery. The upgraded double-layer design combines a soft mesh inner layer for comfort with a transparent PVC outer layer that doesn't obstruct vision, making it easier for pets to eat, drink, and play. What truly sets this collar apart is its thoughtful design. It features an adjustable drawstring stopper to prevent choking and ensure a snug fit, along with an elastic band at the base to keep the cone securely in place. The soft protective edge around the neck adds to the comfort, while its waterproof surface makes cleaning a breeze. Plus, the fluorescent strip on the outer rings ensures safety during nighttime walks. This collar is ideal for medium to large dogs that require intensive care after surgery or during wound recovery. While it's the most expensive option on this list, the Winwheel cone delivers unmatched durability, functionality, and comfort. If you're looking for a top-tier recovery collar that covers all the bases, this is the one to pick. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.